Here we are installing the flush mounting kit on the Nature's Generator automatic transfer switch. We'll start by unboxing the kit and taking out the mounting brackets along with the screws, which are sold separately. Next, locate the punch marks on the side of the transfer switch, pop them open. This is where the hardware will go to secure the brackets. Once the holes are ready, hand thread each piece of hardware into place. After that, grab a screwdriver and wrench, and tighten them down firmly so everything is solid and secure. The flush mount is adjustable, so you can easily match it to the thickness of your wall. Just line up the brackets and tighten the screws to get a secure custom fit. And that's it! The flush mount kit is installed and ready to go. A clean, professional look for your Nature's Generator transfer switch. For more information, visit naturesgenerator.com or check out our social media at Nature's Generator.